Find the partial fraction decomposition of 5x minus 1 over x squared minus 2x minus 15. What do? We are trying to make this equal to a over one of the factor. So this is equal to what? 5x minus 1 over, when you factor the denominator, what do we get? It's x minus 5. What two number multiplies to negative 15 and adds to negative 2? And x plus 3. So partial decomposition is that we make one fraction with polynomial into a over one of this factor plus b over the other factor. Remember this? So then, in order to find a and b, we have to have a common denominator in denominator. So what do? You multiply by x plus 3 here, top and bottom. Here you multiply by x minus 5, top and bottom. So you actually basically get a times x plus 3 plus b times x minus 5, and you get x minus 5 times x plus 3, right? Here you multiply by the other factor, x plus 3, x plus 3. Here you multiply by x minus 5, and that equals to 5x minus 1 over the same denominator, right? If you have a fraction, they're equal to each other. And if they have a same denominator, right, isn't this equal to that? Then can we just say this is equal to that? Yes. So now we are looking for a and b. So what do? The coefficient of, when you distribute a and b, the coefficient of x must be equal to what? 5. And when you distribute a and b, your constant must equal to what? Negative 1. So we have to find a number for a and b that will satisfy this expression. So what do? First, distribute a's. So ax plus 3a plus bx minus 5b equals to, again, what? 5x minus 1. So now, put the common terms together, like terms together. So ax goes with what? Bx. So ax plus bx will make 5x. And 3a plus 3a minus 5b must equal to what? Negative 1. So now, what do? To make into the same term, we have to factor out x from here. So it is a plus b times x, right? A plus b of x times x, and plus just 3a minus 5b, which must equal to what? Negative 1. What's your a plus b equal to? A plus b must equal to what? 5. 3a minus 5b must equal to what? Negative 1, right? So what do you have here? System of equation, 2 by 2. So you just got to solve for a and b. Once you find a and b, you just plug into a and b here. Remember this? So let's just solve it by hand. What would you do? I'll multiply. You can either make a's the same or b's the same. What do you want to do? A's the same, so that means I have to multiply this by 3. So I can solve this by elimination. So I can get rid of the same a's, 3 a's. So if I multiply 3 by a, it's 3a. 3 times b, 3b. 3 times 5 is 15. So with these two now, what do I do? Subtract. If you add, it becomes bigger a, 6a. Our goal is to eliminate this, get rid of it. So you subtract, so this is gone, it becomes 0. Negative 5b minus 3b is negative 8b, which equals to negative 1 minus 15 is negative 16. So when I divide by negative 8, I get b equals 2. And then what do I do to find a? Plug into one of these equations. This looks better, right? Easier, more simple. So a plus, what is b? 2 equals to 5. What is a? So are we done? No. Your final answer should be in fraction form. So a is 3, b is 2. So now what is your final answer? A is 3. So this becomes 3x minus 5 plus 2 over x plus 3. That's how we made into a partial fraction. You see we are divided into two fractions.